Hey guys, what's going on? Happy New Year. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. This right here is an origami catapult, and this is really cool. And I taught another origami catapult right here, but I like this one better because this one is cleaner, and I think it's easier to fold too. So here's how it works. So there's the hole where you put your thing in, and I'm just going to put this little piece of paper in. So you just stick it in that space. Okay, and then you just hold it onto the table like this, and then you pull back here, see, and it flings it really far, just like that. Just landed on my windowsill. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. You stick it in there, and then I'm gonna face it up at an angle. See? Isn't that cool? Yeah, this is an awesome model. I think it's better than my other origami catapult. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to fold this. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square, so let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold, and now fold the two sides to the middle. And yeah, this is a pretty easy model, so if you're new to folding, this is a good model. Okay, so here we have the door base. And now fold the door base in half, like this. Okay, and now rotate and fold in half, this way. Like this, and now unfold. And now we're gonna fold in half again, but we're not gonna fold it all the way, so hold the layers down so they don't slide. So fold like this, but just fold on the right side, so from this crease to the right, just on the right side. Okay, and then now we're gonna wrap near it. So, and it doesn't matter how you orient it. So here's the multiple edges on top, and here's the single edge. But yeah, it doesn't matter if you can even. It doesn't matter if the multiple edges are on the bottom. But yeah, just okay. You guys know what I mean. All right, so now fold this edge to the crease, but don't make the whole fold. Just fold to that crease, or from that crease to there, so just halfway, and unfold and fold this edge to here, or rather these edges. But just fold from here to that crease, so just on that segment, like that. And now let's rabbit ear it, so make those two folds at the same time, and we're folding on that crease. We're folding on that crease also, like that. And then now mount and fold it on that crease. See? Just like that. And that's what it looks like. Okay. So now take this edge and fold it to here. So this is the base of our catapult, the bottom of the catapult. And make that nice and sharp. Okay. And then now let's kind of fold this in half. But you don't really need to make it sharp. Just fold it just normally like that, just enough so you can see the crease. And now it's airplane fold these 2 points. So fold this edge to the crease, and it helps to kind of just fold. Just put that to one side like that, and then make the fold. And it gets pretty thick right here, but just crease as sharp as you can, like this. Alright, and then now fold this flap to the other side, and fold this edge to here. It's a pretty stiff fold, but yeah, just do the best you can. Crease it as sharp as you can. Alright, and then now, so here, we're just about done. So now let's kind of close this off. So to do that, just fold See, just fold these points behind just a little bit. See, this is the taste. This is just an eyeball fold, no matter how much. But just fold it in enough so that it's closed. Alright, and just kind of make that fold nice and sharp, so it stays closed like that. And once you did that, here is our finished catapult. And yeah, so I'm going to show you to use it. So what you have to do is you just kind of have to open the hole like this, just open it about that much. There's actually multiple slots in there, but I don't think it matters which slot. That looks like the middle most slot I'm doing, but yeah. But I think any slot in there works. Okay, and then where did that little piece of paper go? Oh yeah, it's gone. But yeah, and you just put something small. If your catapult is small like this, just put something small in there, like a little piece of paper. And I'm just gonna just get a little piece of paper like this and just fold it. This. Alright, and then you just stick it inside of the slot like this. See? Just about that much. And then you hold the model on the table like this. And your thumb and index finger needs to hold it down like this. And then you just take this, pull it back. Oh. Let's try that again. So take this, pull back, and fire. Just like that. See? Here, I'm going to show you. It's better to show you at an angle. So you just hold it down like this, and then put your object inside of the slot. And then you take this, pull it back, and let go just like that. Isn't that cool? Yeah, this is an awesome model. I really like it. So yeah. So there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe, and have a happy new year. Alright, see you guys later.